Alright, so we just made it Fung Shui, and we're gonna go, how do you say it?
Fung Shui.
Fung Shui. And we're gonna go check it out.
It looks really Chinese.
Now I press the waiting, so they prep. Sim playing, so impressed. They stay, cause I stayed up in my lane and now I press.
10 out of 10.
And playing, now impressed. They stay, cause I stayed up in my lane and when I rap it sound like automatic chamber. Click, 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 and now they listening to metronome. It sound like click, 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 and all the money I be stacking up. I stack it quick, 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 and all the stacks. They be getting fat, they getting thick, 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 and speaking thick. I got a girl named Kylie, she Chinese. She probably sitting right beside me. She probably smiling. I think she like me, like probably high key. There's none besides me. I mean, it's really none besides me.
What's up, everybody? We're in the Starbucks line. I just got off of work. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. Mama's recovering from a little bit of COVID. How you feeling, Mama?
I feel better than I did last week.
And that's good. It's good to feel good.
Whoa, I think the vision finally settled in and now I hit the gas and
We're talking about traveling. We've got a few places on the list. We're thinking, you know, maybe Seattle, maybe Miami, maybe Washington, Nashville. Yeah, we could even do a day trip out to Austin. We're just enjoying our time together right now.
In Byway, I just noticed the poster up there. Arlington on it, on the sword, if you can see. It's really cool.
I hit the gas and I be going like accelerant. Saluting me out on the streets, I'm looking like a veteran. I'm way ahead of them.
Okay, so I just got done with my drone test, and I passed, by the way. And now I'm heading to the Arboretum for my grandma's Mother's Day celebration. Mother's Day's not until tomorrow, but we're celebrating today.
I'm pressed, the way and now they prep. Sim playing, so impressed. They stay, cause I stayed up in my lane and now I'm pressed.
Okay, so I just linked up with my dad, and we're connecting with the rest of our group for our Mother's Day celebration. Out here at the Dallas Arboretum. And it's super pretty out. I guess they do events here.
Yeah, they have all kinds of weddings and everything, graduations. Everybody comes out there to get their senior pictures.
It is beautiful.
Now I'm pressed, the waiting, so they prep. Sim play and impress. Yeah, wait to get all up in my face. And now the money I be counting up, it coming quick, quick, quick. And now the camera I be flicking up. It sound like click, click, click. And now I think they finally got the vision, man. It click, click, click.
You're thankful for?
All of y'all.
That's sweet.
Grandsons, my great-grandsons. Everything.
There you go. Rapid fire. If you had to give it scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
11.
11? What do we got, Carl? 10.
10, 11, maybe 12.
Oh, we're just, I mean,
Yeah. 11.
4 plus a 6.
Now the camera I